What is up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I've installed the latest Masick build for my Redmi Note 8 which is based on MIUI 12.1 with the latest security patch of 1st of July 2020 and it's based on Android version 10. In this build we have some premium features like super wallpapers, new camera and a lot more things. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So guys, let's get started first of all with the super wallpapers, and this is a super wallpaper which I have already applied. This is a super wallpaper and looks pretty super cool. This is just great and you can use the super wallpapers officially in this build. Overall the scrolling speed is just fine. I am using the app drawer option from the home screen settings which is working perfectly fine, including the control center. Control center has all the main features like flashlight, screenshot, some other things which are already present in all other MIUI builds as you already know. We have some great things as this is a Masick official build for Redmi Note 8. So we have some great features. I'll show you all these features one by one. Let's move on to settings. First of all, let's check out some features in this build. Okay, so let's talk about some features. First of all, if you have noticed, there are no dividers available in the settings. As you can see, all the settings have same things, no divider whatsoever. So move on to lock screen. First of all, we didn't got always on display option. Always on display was already available in some ported ROMs for Redmi Note 8, as it is not officially supported, as it has this LCD display. So that's why we just have the normal display here, normal lock screen, where we got always show notification feature, and some other options includes charging animation. As you can see, these are the main features which you get here. And moving on to display, we have some great features including the color scheme, which is one of my favorite features overall, and we get the maximum brightness on call feature available also, including we have the display size, brightness level, and we have the dark mode option available. We can adjust the system fonts, change the text size and font weight, and here we have some other animations where you can change the system animation to linear, wave, scale or fold, and some control center and notification shade customization options include use new control center, hide info toggle, switch control center side, and here we have other customization options which include show notification icons, number of notification icons, dual network icon, LTE icon, and some other little bit of things, which includes the battery indicator. You can choose the battery indicator. There are 5 styles available: hidden, percentage, percentage in, percentage out, and only graphical. This is quite interesting, and some hide notch option and some other options are available here. A new thing like screenshot in any app which you don't get in all other MIUI build ROMs available. Sound and vibration notifications have same things, and we have the home screen option where we get the standard options. Some advanced options include the icon, title, style, number of columns in a folder, and some things. In home screen we have zero screen which you can customize the Google or app vault, and I personally choose Google for Google feeds, home screen search bar, and some little bit of things available here. All other things I have already shown you, and yes, it has the super wallpapers pre-included, and also if you have noticed, it has these static wallpapers, dynamic wallpapers, and add to favorites you can add from here. These are the wallpapers. These are the 2 wallpapers I have already applied and downloaded, and these are the system wallpapers which are pre-installed. Some great wallpapers are already available. You can adjust any wallpapers from here. These are other wallpapers which you can download, and some Mars wallpaper which I have already applied this one and looks very much impressive. We have super wallpapers also available. This is quite great feature. We have the home super wallpapers, we have the red planet. This is very much interesting overall. This is just super duper great. You can choose the super wallpapers if you want to, but I just recommend you not to use super wallpapers in Redmi Note 8 as it may just increase your battery's consumption, and also it may lead to some hanging issues, some little bit more things also. So it's just not recommended for you to use the super wallpapers. We have password and security, all the same features, password, fingerprint and face lock. and all other things are just same. Overall the ROM is super duper smooth because we are using app drawer and this is the Masick latest build. Let's check out some other things included. The camera, which is the main highlight of this build. Everything is just fine, like pro mode, video, photo, portrait, everything is available, everything is fine, including the AI mode that's also available here. And you also have the option of choosing the macro lens, and in settings all the same features, where you can go to customize and you can customize the camera modes, and I personally choose the more panel option, so let's choose this one right now. Back again, now open this and we have a new feature. If you have noticed, the long exposure, this is a new feature which you don't get in any other ROM till now, especially for Redmi Note 8. Neon trails, silky water, light painting, starry sky, star trails, and some other things. This is very much impressive thing. This is just a new feature available in this latest camera. You can adjust the timer if you want to. Just disable this and let's check out the video recording up to how much frames. You can see you can choose the video recording up to 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps is just great. You can record videos in 4K 30 fps. This is one of the great things in MIUI cameras right now. I have already shown you all these things, so I hope you like these things, and you can install this build right now on a device. I'll provide you the link in the description so you can download and install right now. This was all from this short and simple review about Masick 15 for Kinko. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.